Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear viewers, today I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of LV shoes for men's. My dear friends, these shoes, designs and colors are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these are the styles of shoes every man wants to wear and needs in his wardrobe. And friends, I have built a collection of these stunning shoes over a past few weeks, and I am extremely happy with my wear. So friends and my lovely viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, these shoes are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends and viewers, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So my dear friends, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, take care of yourself. Love you all guys. This is your host Asacha.